Namaste students, how are you all? Today we are going to start the chapter Environment and the Natural Resources. This is your 8th chapter, but according to new syllabus, this is your 7th chapter. And no new topic is added in this chapter. All topics remain same. Fine. Okay. And in this chapter we will talk about the environment and the different concern and different meetings on these environmental concern. So first we see the meaning of environment. As you all know, environment refers to the surroundings of an area or a region, and we can protect our environment by planting more trees, or by prevent the soil erosion, or by set up eco-friendly industry we should set up. Fine. Or if we will talk about the different environmental concern or issues, so here we see due to these concerns, due to different issues of the environment, environmental problem, the relation among the countries are set up, and there are conflict also among the different nations. So in this first part of this video, we will discuss about the different environmental concern in global politics and how the different nation do politics on these issues. So first is shrinking of cultivable areas and grassland due to increasing population. This is the main reason. And second is no access to safe drinking water. Around, if we will talk about the developing countries, around 1.2 billion people in developing countries have no access of safe drinking water, and 2.6 billion have no access of sanitation according to Human Development Report 2006. And now the third is depletion of the natural resources. This is also due to increase in the population. And then decline in the total amount of ozone due to global warming by setting different industries. And then coastal pollution due to human activities. So all these are environmental concern, and global politics are going on these issues. Now talks on environmental concern start in 1972. The Club of Rome, a global think tank mean organizer, published a book entitled Limits to Growth and discuss about the different environmental concern. And next is international agencies, we can say including UN, EP, United Nations Environmental Program, began holding environmental conferences on these issues. Then 1987, Brundtland Report, Our Common Future, warned that the traditional economic growth is not sustainable. And then United Nations Conference on Environment and Development was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 1992. This is also known as Earth Summit. We will discuss in detail in further about this topic. Fine. And then we can say this is not only the first Earth Summit. Before it also few Earth Summit was held. First Earth Summit was held in 1972 Sweden in Scotland. Then second was held in 1982 in Nairobi, Kenya. And third was same in 1992 Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. And fourth was held in Johannesburg, South Africa in 2002. And again Earth Summit held in 2012 in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Now we will discuss about the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992 in detail. Students, the Rio de Janeiro Brazil Earth Summit in 1992 was attended by 170 states, and thousands of NGOs and many multinational corporations also joined the Earth Summit. And the Earth Summit clearly manifested that the North-South divide over environmental management. And if we will talk about the success of this summit, we can say the success of this summit was that they were able to devise compromise on future environment management. And in this Earth Summit, Global North generally refers to the rich and developed countries of the first world, and the term Global South is generally used for the developing countries of the third word. This will come in your 1 mark question. Now the question arises, what were the outcomes of this Earth Summit, or after discussion, what was the conclusion? So we see Rio Summit produced conventions, and which convention? These conventions dealing with climate change, biodiversity, forestry, and a number of other environmental concerns. It recommended a list of development practices called Agenda 21. And some critics have pointed out that Agenda 21 is biased in favor of economic growth than ecological balance. And if we will talk about the Agenda 21, the core issues of Agenda 21 was environment damage, poverty and diseases. How can we overcome these problems? Fine. Now it was successful. Which was successful? The Earth Summit was successful in achieving a consensus on combining economic growth with ecological responsibility. And this approach in development is commonly known as sustainable development. And this is main principle of the Rio de Janeiro Summit. So students, this is all about the environmental concern in global politics and history of environmental concern. In next part of this video or this chapter, we will discuss about the global commons and common but differentiated responsibilities. Thank you.